So these are some of the points that has to be considered while performing this maintenance of lighting protection system. So in lighting protection system, the continuity plays a major role. So we have to examine the continuity of conductors from the atom to the earthing, and all the in-between connections has to be examined, and the value of the resistance has to be checked. These are the important points that we need to check while performing this maintenance. So these are some of our site observations. So in this you can observe that in the first image there was no equipotential body and bolted nuts and screws were found corroded. The second image there was no proper joint at all. So here they have used conductor of lowest cross section area. So in the first one, the conductor sizing was found to be less than 10 square mm. So here they have used only 6 square mm copper cable for connecting this terminal to the grounding. And here they have used 10 square mm copper cable. But as per the standard regulations, we should use 50 square mm. So 6 square mm and 10 square mm should not be. We should minimum of 50 square mm for connecting this electric of light system. So these are some of